Oh, hello. This is the first for me again. I've never been live on Instagram before, which is it's amazing, and I'm a little bit nervous, but anyway, I'm doing it. So, why am I here today? Well, I've decided that in order to organise my week, I are doing a live as often as I can. So when it's a Saturday, I do a sale Saturday, and that's when I can sell my book and sell any yarns or hooks that I'm selling. And also, Friday is Freeform Friday, Thursday is Thought for Thursday, and Whip is Whip Wednesday. So that's how it works. Oh, there's one more. Tea Shop Tea Cake or Tea Shop Tuesday, and that's a good one because it's an excuse to eat cake, because I put all my cakes on a cake stand and I can go live and you know. Anyway, today it's Sunday, and I thought for Sunday I would do School Sunday. Not Sunday school, but School Sunday. And School Sunday is basically me doing something to do with children and schools. So it gives me, if I plan my week this way, it gives me something to chat about every day. Problem I've found so far is that I usually go live in the afternoon, and something always gets in the way. When I first set it up, we had visitors coming to see our new place where we live now. We've moved out the bus and we're now in this, look, it's got doors and windows and a big kitchen and a huge, I don't know if I can show you this. Let's see if I can show you this. Oh, that's Phil there. I better not show you that. Yeah, there we go. That's our lounge. And there's a kitchen look too. So that's me going live in my new lounge and kitchen. It's we used to live in this bus, a converted bus, and about 3 weeks ago this static home was delivered here, and here we are. So where was I? Yes, School Sunday. Yeah, what happens is that because we've got this new home and I've set up my idea to do maybe an afternoon doing one of my lives, what happens then is somebody arrives to see what's going on, and I don't get around to doing my live. Anyway, it's Sunday afternoon, and I thought, oh, School Sunday, I'm not doing a live again. But I thought, I know, if I set it up at my table, just do whatever I'm doing. And today I'm actually crocheting. I'm sitting there crocheting, and I'm thinking, well, why don't I go live? So that's why I'm here. And it's not going to be very long, I don't think, but I have got a tip for you. You know how usually when you've got all your yarns, different colour yarns, and if you store them together in a bag, very, very soon they all get jumbled up and the ends are all coming undone. So what I do is, to start with, I can use a paper clip, and that stops the end from coming undone. And because I'm always using rainbow yarns, rainbows are my favourite things. I do like rainbows. And because rainbows are my favourite things, and I have lots of different coloured yarns, I store them in a box. This is a lid, a box lid here. That's a box lid. Here's another one. This one's the black one. So when people come to my classes, they get a box to find their yarns. I used to put them in a bowl, but the bowl always got jumbled up and all the ends started coming out. So that's the idea. Store them in a box. Look good, don't they? Okay, that's my tip for the day. And since it's School Sunday, I'm working on something that is magical, I think. It's so easy. Before I go any further, I'm going to stare at the screen, you as well, because I'm not quite sure what happens here. It says on my screen that we're telling your followers that you started a live video. Hold out, we're telling more followers to join your video. Well, I hope they're telling you. It says live at the top. If it's anything like Facebook usually gives me a little number next to the little red live at the top. Maybe it doesn't work that way here, but I'm just going to add a comment. So if there is anybody here, I can write. Celia Johnson? What are you doing here? That's my friend Celia Johnson. It says she's joined. She must be. I can wave. I've waved at Celia Johnson. Celia is one of my best friends, and I didn't know she went on Instagram. Hi. Hey Celia, I'm doing a live on Instagram. Hello. Oh, anyway, I'm going to continue my live, Celia, because this is going out to anybody who follows me. And I don't know whether it stays there like it does on Facebook or not. So, yeah, I'm crocheting. So I'm going to continue my live. I don't know what to do here because it's funny having my best friend watching me. Yeah, I can see you're watching. It says so, and it's also at the top of my screen. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm making it is school for Sunday school today, and because it's Sunday school, I do things to do with children. And this is my latest project. It's a cushion cover. It's quite bizarre in its nature. There's no pattern to it. It's freeform crochet, or I don't know whether freeform crochet usually is when you use all the different stitches, and I only use 2 stitches. I use chain and slip stitch. So I thought I'd come live in my new abode here, my caravan. It's more than a caravan really. It's just, I'm sure Celia will tell you. You type in there what it's like, Celia. In my lounge, and I'm sitting at the table doing this. It's not the best place for me to actually demonstrate crochet. I do have a YouTube channel, and on my YouTube channel the camera is up above so that my hands can actually be seen better. So do bear this in mind. If you, Celia says it's like a palace. It isn't like a palace to us, honestly. It really is. But anyway, what I'm saying, onto YouTube, the camera is above us. So that means that it's so easy to see what I'm doing. It's not so easy. Perhaps Celia can tell me if you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm actually crocheting a chain, and then I'm doing a slip stitch, and I'll show you again. I'm counting my slip chains in 3s, so I'm going to do 3 chain, and I'm going to bring it right up close so it might cover my face. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3 chain, and then I've made loops on the previous rows with these chains, so I'm going to go into that loop there that I'm holding with my fingers there, and I'm going to pick up a stitch, that is yarn over, and pull it through the hook, the loop on the hook, and that's where we start again and do 3 more chains. So I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, hook in, pick up a loop and bring it up, and then do 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3, and hook in. Now then, Celia, you watched that from where you are. Can you possibly tell me whether that was a good demo or not when I'm doing it live this way in front of the camera? I wait for Celia to maybe answer that and type that in. Anyway, so that's what I'm up to today. I'm only going on a short video live today, and it's the first time I've done one on Instagram as opposed to on Facebook. So that's my little demo. Oh, that's good. Celia's saying she can see it well. So I'm going to pull this up. It's a little tip here, because I'm going to take my hook off while I show you what I'm doing. The reason why this is coming up, I'm demonstrating this today on Sunday school, or School for Sunday. I'm doing this because it's an easy stitch. It's so easy, and that is the stitch that I've done in the whole of this cushion cover. Usually I just do little samples, but today I'm doing a cushion cover. I've made what I've worked on into a cushion cover, simply because when I do go to fairs and I want to demonstrate what it is, it'd be much better, instead of having small samples of what I do, to actually have some artifacts like a cushion or something like that. So this is the reason for doing the cushion. There it is. And I'm doing the other side. I'm doing the other side a little bit different, and I've continued on the end here. So you can see I'm started off with some blue and light blue and dark blue and royal blue stripes, and I'm catching it on the end as I come. So I'm not going to have to, I'm simply making it so a cushion can go inside already. I'm not having to stitch it later. I'm doing it as I go along, and the same on the other end here. So that's like where the cushion is going to go when I finish the whole thing to the end. Does that make sense, Celia, for me? Have I explained that well? Those parents with 3 kids, oh, that's lovely that you've joined me. Unfortunately, I've coming to the end of my, I don't know your name. I know that I've seen you on my Instagram channel, and you have posted there. I'm just going to wave to you that this is for those parents with 3 kids. Okay, that's somebody who actually does post and reply to and likes my my Instagram. What do you call it? Instagram. It's not an Instagram page, is it? It's an Instagram feed, I think. Is it an Instagram feed where you get all your pictures? I'm learning all this stuff anyway. So I'm coming to the end of that. I've talked about a tip earlier, and I don't know either. I think when you go live, it probably is the same as when I'm on Facebook, and that once I sign off, that it'll be there for you to look at later. Can you please tell me, those parents with 3 kids, you've joined me. Can you tell me what your actual name is? Just type it in for me, because it's quite a long-winded thing to say when I'm talking to you. If you can do that. And thanks, Celia, for your feedback. I'm just amazed to see you here today. You're one of my best friends, and it's it's crazy that you should suddenly join me when you don't usually do anyway. So yeah, I am going to go. Perhaps I'd like to say goodbye, Celia, but I'd also like to say goodbye to the other lady who's watching. I think she's watching, but she's just now gone because I've only got one person watching. Not to worry, I'll catch up with that lady later. Bye for now, Celia. Good to meet you on my live on Instagram. Maybe again, we'll do it again sometime. Bye for now, and I'll give you a call. Bye. If I can say goodbye. How do I switch this off? It's nothing like Facebook. A cross at the top, I think. Are you sure you want to end your live video?